welcome to my channel Sirisha Naga. So today here we are with a topic called vocabulary. So actually I keep reading books. While reading books I come across few new words. So I always usually mess up with my words. So what I'm doing is I'm just penning them down in a book and learning them, trying to learn them. So while doing that, it just crossed my mind, why not post this in my channel, because it might help others, those who are also trying to learn few words along with me. So let's get into the vocab and please learn with me. Okay, so we are starting today with 5 words. So in every video we'll be doing 5 words each with their meaning, with their parts of speech and an example sentence. So let's begin. Yes, today we have a vocabulary session coming up. And the first word of the day is envisage. Envisage, which is a verb. Verb is nothing but which does some action. So now it means to foresee something, so to predict something. And the example goes like, I don't envisage working with him again. So it's like I don't see myself working with him again. So I don't want to work with him again. So I don't see myself working again. So envisage. And next one is gouge, which is also a verb. And it means to dig out something. And the example goes like this. The channel had been gouged out by the ebbing water. And of course, this channel means the water channel. And so the channel had been dug out by the ebbing water. The movement of the water. Like, we have the ebbs, right, in water. So the channel had been gouged out by the ebbing water. Right, sounds good. Next, coming to the third word, we have stifle, which is also a verb. It means to suffocate. You can't take the breath properly. Breathless, coming like uncomfortable, some discomfort. And the example goes like this. The children in the room were stifled by the fumes. So there were children in a room, and that room was the children were getting suffocated because the room was filled with fumes. So stifled. And next, fourth word, coming to this, we have crummy, which is an adjective. Of course, an adjective means the word that elevates the noun, right? And so it means dirty, very untidy. So the example goes like, he just entered his crummy little room. So little is also an adjective, of course. So this crummy is describing this little room. So how is this little room? It is very crummy, dirty, right? So coming to the last word of the day, rapacious, which is also an adjective. So mostly if you have this is ending, OUS ending, they mostly land up with adjective part of the grammar. So rapacious, which means aggressively greedy. Not only greedy, aggressively greedy, like wanting more and more and more. Okay? So coming to the example, the farmers were harassed by the rapacious landlords. So the farmers, they were tortured by the greedy landlords, like get us more, get the yield more, or pay the taxes more. Like they were being harassed. So this is rapacious. So what's the first word? Let's have a quick recap. First one is envisage, which means to predict or to foresee something. And next word we have gouge, that means to dig out. And third one we have stifle, I guess. Yes, stifle, that means to suffocate. And fourth one we have crummy, which means dirty. And fifth one is rapacious, which is extremely greedy, aggressively greedy. So these are the 5 words of the day. And so Sirisha Naga signing off for the day. See you in another video with another 5 words. Okay, bye bye.